Welcome, my friends, to a new day and a new recipe. Thank you for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with your friends. We need 2 eggs and 20 grams of sugar. We mix them together and then add 20 grams of cocoa and 75 grams of flour. We return to mixing again, then add 200 milliliters of milk and 20 grams of liquid butter. We continue mixing until a homogeneous mixture is formed. After that, we filter the mixture into another bowl, as you can see. Then we place a frying pan on the stove. We wait until it becomes hot and add about 50 grams of the mixture, as you can see. We wait until it is cooked for 3 minutes at a medium temperature and then flip it over to the other side. After the mixture is completely settled, we bring 30 grams of whipping cream. We add 5 grams of matcha tea. My friends, you can add it instead of matcha tea. You can add Nescafe or add cocoa as desired. This is optional. We leave them aside. In another bowl, we pour 200 milliliters of whipping cream and 25 grams of sugar. We whip until the cream doubles in size and becomes like a light cloud. The cream must be in the refrigerator before whipping, and we add the matcha tea mixture that we prepared before. We continue the whipping process. I will be happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you watch me, and also write to me your opinions about the recipe, whether negative or positive, as this is something that interests me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. After the whipping process is finished, we add 250 grams of diamond carbonate, as you saw. We return to whipping again until the cream becomes thick. After the cream becomes thick, we put some of it in the cream bag. So that it is easy to spread, then we bring the crepe chips. We place it in this shape that you see. Then we spread the cream over it and wrap it in a roller manner. The recipe is very delicious and can be served at parties. After it becomes a roll, as you can see, my friends, we put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. After the cooling phase is over, we sprinkle a little powdered sugar on the crepe roll. We cut it according to your desire, as you know, my friends, that matcha tea is Japanese, and it is very useful and delicious as well. I hope that you will make this recipe in your homes, and write to me your opinion in the comments, whether it is delicious or not. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and click the bell button to receive all new updates. Thank you for following. I wish you a happy day, and I hope you always stay in good health. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.